Saturday? Yeah, it's Saturday. I'm just getting ready to head out. We're going to have a lovely morning of looking through the charity shops, having a coffee. I think I'll bring a coffee with me. I kind of wanted to go with some kind of like free people inspired outfit today, and I took this out for my summer wardrobe. It's this beautiful like cotton bobbly, I don't know what you call them, maybe anyone who knits or crochets maybe knows the name of this kind of technique. It's so pretty with the little pearl buttons. Yeah, so I have that on. Then I have these amazing velvet trousers that I thrifted. Also just repainted my nails with this one. I think I got this in TK Maxx. It's in passion fruit. This particular brand, I think it's a good brand because it like, I'll get a good 2 days out of this nail varnish. Really happy with the length of my nails at the moment. I'd love to like be someone that gets my nails done all the time, but like it's quite an investment. So for now, I just try and keep them painted. Anyway, yeah, so I have them on. A really cute outfit. I'll try and show you like a full length. Maybe a little scarf as well to keep me a little bit more warm. I'm not wearing my necklaces at the moment because I got quite a bad, like, I just have like such bad reactions to metal. So I've been having, like, especially if it's like directly on my skin, I have a little bit of a rash at the moment. So I'm just going to leave my, I'm going to leave it off my neck. Strangely, I don't get like a rash from like rings. It's only ever necklaces. But I'm going to wear my Las Vegas cap with this outfit, I think. Oh, that's very loose. Yeah, happy with that. Then remember I got this a while ago. It's got all my sunglasses in it. I think I'll go for these ones. These are my, I think they're H&M. Very fun. This might be crazy considering it's summer, but I'm gonna wear my bomber on top because I get cold. I get cold really easily, so especially if I have like little flats on with no shoes. I'm just gonna have a look here. For bag, I'm gonna grab this one, which is a thrifted bag, but I love the little sequin detail. Yeah, and that is going to be today's outfit. I'll try and get a full outfit video of you out, and hopefully we'll have some fun looking through the charity shops. I'm going to wear this today as my smell. So nice. These ones are so old, they're like really faded. This is one of my favorite rings. It's from July Child. This is actually a broken earring. This one is so fun. This is by 𝖬𝖾𝗇𝖽𝖾, who was is a London-based jewellery designer, and I used to have a studio with her in the same place as her, so I got that. And then this is just a fake ring. This one is so cute. My mom gave this to me. This was a ring she was given when I was, she was given this ring when I was born, and she gave it to me when I turned 30, which is very, very lovely. Yeah, they're my rings for today. Okay, let's go. But yeah, going into the first charity shop now, one of my favourites. It's nice. the colours. Kind of cute. I like the idea of this, but I don't think I can make it work. Love a summer shirt like this, but I do have loads. Very pretty though. I recognize this. I think it is Topshop. Yeah, really old Topshop. So fun. Too small for me though. Very cute. I might have to get one of these. Started lashing. I am soaked. Oh god. Damn. I just realized I lost that ring, that little bow ring that I got, because it started raining and I grabbed my umbrella out of my bag and the ring must have fallen out of my bag at the same time. Damn, that's so annoying. But I'll show you the other two that I got. I got like this little silver plated heart one and this chain one here. It was 3 for $5, but damn, maybe I should run around and see about getting it. I couldn't resist this little Hello Kitty tag because you can never have enough Hello Kitty stuff. And then I also picked up 2 lip liners because I'm running low. I think this one, Toast, is the one that everyone always... Fab. Yeah, so that's what I picked up. I actually think I'm going to run around to where I took out my umbrella and see, can I find that ring, because I really like it. God, it's here. Woohoo! Delighted I went back around. Now I have it. Great. That's so fun. I'm so thrilled that I found that ring. It's just so cute. So here's my updated rings. This heart one and this kind of chain one. I'm replacing this one, this star that's completely, it's like all brass, and then this one here, which I might come back to, but it's kind of brass as well. But yeah, the rings, maybe I'll get rid of the blue one as well, so it's just kind of like that. Very fun. I'm really just going with the wind. Oh. They're hopping up and down. It's like they're on a wave. It's like they're at sea. Oh, and it's raining really heavy as well. That's really heavy rain. They're hailstones. Oh, one's gone. He's like, I'm gone. Go on, don't stay there on your own. You gotta go. Ooh. Oh, little angel. This is my mom's cat. Well, she was my cat, but then my mom took her when I moved to London. She's around 14 or 15 years old at this stage. As she's gotten older, her coat's got a little bit brown, and she's so cute. She's got the cutest ears. She was completely wild though, so she doesn't like fully, like she's not fully domesticated, I suppose. She still likes to do her own thing. Isn't that right, chicks? I just have to feed her at the moment because my mom's away. Oh, you're so gorgeous. I'm gonna have a sit down for a minute. Gonna sit down for a sec. Oh yes, a good lick. Oh, you need to get your balance. Poor baby. Good morning. It is, oh, you're straight. Good morning. It is Sunday. I'm just getting ready to go to a market. It's a little bit overcast today, so I am worried about being warm, but I have on my Story MFG long sleeve, this necklace. I think it's originally from Zara. I never usually wear it. Earrings, kind of very basic makeup today. And then I have on this really fun vintage skirt that I thrifted, I think last summer, and then I did an alteration job on it. And then I have on, let me put you, see if I can put you down a bit further. Just put you down a bit further because that's easier. Yeah, this is the vintage skirt, and then I have on my ASOS loafers and some socks. I haven't worn these in so long. Yeah, but I really like this outfit, very easy and casual. And I also have a little scarf that I'm not sure, should I wear it in my hair or should I wear it across my neck? I'm not too sure about that yet, because I also have a scrunchie that I might just wear in my hair, because it's always that bit easier when I'm bringing stuff in and out of the car, getting ready for the market, to have my hair up and actually just throughout the day. And then for my bag, I'm bringing this, I think it's originally like a Zara home bag, but I got it actually at the market that I'm doing today, and then I added some of my own charms. I made this at Electric Picnic as part of Dublin Independent Fashion Week, this beaded one here. Yeah, so I'm quickly having some coffee and then I'm running out the door, so I will catch you when I'm there. I'm just gonna quickly run to Tesco and get, I forgot like bags, so I'm gonna get just bin bags. Yeah, I forgot like bags, so I think I'll just get bin bags and then people can use them, like the bin liner bags. Perfect. Got some makeup bars and bin liners. Here we go. Okay, so all set up here. It's my space for the day. Just finished, ready. So we're getting all set up now. Just put my hair up. I thought it was nicer. It's a necklace. Here is the outfit, the skirt. Loads of cute shoes with me today as well. Kind of put this rail to the front that has like new in pieces. This diesel skirt, so fun. The girl next to me, her stuff is so beautiful. It's so distinct.